There's something strange in the neighborhood of our solar system. This icy space body was discovered and followed by a team, including the Planetary Science Institute in Tucson. What is this thing? 13 fact finders have the answers that spark more questions. It's not a moon, not a comet. It's a trans-Neptunian object, or TNO, which is...
They basically are an archaeological record of what happened in the outer solar system.
This rare, mysterious rock circling at a tilt at the edge of the Milky Way is named 2020 VN40. It's around 140 times farther from the sun than Earth. We asked paper co-author Kat Volk why it's important.
It really matters because we're trying to figure out, how do planetary systems form? What do they look like when they're baby planetary systems versus more evolved planetary systems? So Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune did not form where we find them today. They formed and then they kind of redistributed themselves and migrated to their current orbits. And the TNOs, trans-Neptunian objects, are the leftover stuff.
Those leftovers are in resonance or rhythm with Neptune. Kat describes it as a gravitational dance that shows how Neptune migrated, how large bodies behave at the edge of the Milky Way, and how other planets may have left the building.
One might have gotten kicked out of the solar system in kind of a big dynamical upheaval when the planets were rearranging themselves.
This frozen mini-me of the ice giant planet is the first body found to orbit the sun once for every 10 times Neptune goes around. Unlike other TNOs, it seems to come close to the sun when Neptune does. Volk and other scientists thought they knew where to find these trans-Neptunian objects, but a new survey helped them look even farther than before, and surprise, something different showed up.
But what's really cool is that at some point in the future, as its orbit evolves, it's actually going to come closest to the sun in alignment with Neptune. And this affects where we think we'll find these things on the sky.
VN40 is the most distant resonant object they've found, but it takes hundreds to thousands of years to orbit the sun, so Volk and her colleagues have precious little time to measure their orbits and answer their questions.
Like, what's the likelihood there's another Earth out there that remained habitable over the course of its planetary system's evolution?
She says our solar system appears different than others that look like it on the surface. The question is, why?
But we don't even quite understand exactly what happened in the history of our solar system yet. So there's a lot of mysteries to unravel.
Volk told me the Institute continues this work with a wary eye on slashed federal funding for this kind of research. We'll be looking into those effects here in southern Arizona and on the economy in a future 13 Fact Finders report.
Thank you, Brooke.